out here a bit if you want, but only don't go past the lamppost, okay? Stay a little bit here.
Come on, filming you, Thomas.
Come on. Zoom up to the lamppost and turn around.
Smile to the camera.
Yeah, up to the lamppost.
Off you go.
Turn around and then go speedy. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm watching. Which lamppost is this one? Not the one next to the pine tree.
Yeah, turn around there.
Turn round.
I meant that lamppost, Thomas. The one you just gone past. Go on. And then speedy.
Yeah.
Then really fast. Fast as you can. Fast as you can. Sit in the middle. Sit upright. Other hand as well. First hand down. That's it. You've got to go both hands at the same.
Yay! Well done.
Sit around.
Yeah. Oh, sugar. You're all right, mate.